Hey folks, buenos dias. So, I believe this would be number 8 of Junkyard Sprinter van conversion videos. So, what I've got so far is sink in, countertop in, microwave in, etc. Bed built, bed frame, pull out bed frame, yeah. Now I am working on the back wall. I decided to go with the back wall as it was just a lot more energy to insulate and whatever I had to do to make the two doors work. And I'd rather just fold everything up. The doors, I want the doors to be open anyway because I want as much light to come in as possible. And yeah, anyway, so I have an old door that I'm going to cut down for this door space here. And we have the window here, which is a recycled window with an Anderson crank. You just crank this baby out. It's great. So I decided to build a frame. So you can see this top piece here, which is screwed to the metal frame itself. And this framing here, which holds the window in. And so on and so forth, up and down here, which is the door hinge side jamb. So this has to be really secure. The door is swinging off of this. So it is. Get out of here. Darn deer flies. Very solid. Yeah. So that's where I'm at. Working with some pretty tricky things here. So I am, instead of trying to run my siding directly parallel to the frame into the van wall and then figure out how the heck I'm going to seal that off anyway, decided to cut this corner piece, or this angled piece of 1/4 inch plywood. So you can see it follows the curve here pretty exactly. It took me a few tries to get that right. You know, you just kind of draw it out. I was able to hold the board up to it and get something similar to the angle, but I had lots of this 1/4 inch stuff that I pulled off the roof to reuse to make this angled piece. So I was able to get the angle pretty well, and cut that in there. So as you can see, I'm also at this point I'm working on. This is also going to just be another piece of 1/4 inch plywood because I got a bit of a curvature here, and I want this to come from here, yeah, all the way down to here on top of this. The door itself comes right up to this here, pretty darn close. So I've got to cut this back a little bit more to give a bit more of a curve to allow the 1/4 inch plywood to come up along this, sit against the top of this here. So that's what I'm looking at. So yeah, there's a lot of angles, a lot of funky working with things, you know. That's, for me, that's the fun of it. I really enjoy this customizing, you know. It's coming out all right. It's getting there. I'm tired, but this is actually fun for me. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. Looking forward to some more videos and getting further along. Again, you know, I'll do more actual build videos, a little more in-depth build videos. Goodness gracious, these deer flies are just excessive. Anyhow, catch you later.